So as you can see now I type in my password, as you can see, but now here it says incorrect account password. As you can see now I'll show you how to reset your TikTok account password. Just make sure to watch the video to the end. First of all you have to now close your TikTok app. After you close your TikTok app, now go and open your TikTok app again. So as you can see now, here is my TikTok app. So after you open it, all you have to do now, tap on this profile at the bottom right side. After you open out the profile, all you have to do now, it will take you to this option. Now tap on this login button at the bottom right side. So now tap on this use phone number or email. So as you can see now, if you want to use your phone number to reset your password, just type in your phone number. But for me, I will use my email to reset my password. Tap on this section and type in your email that you want to use. But before typing the email, all you have to do now, tap on this just forgot password, this one. After you tap on this forgot password, now tap on this email again. So now it will ask you to type in your email that you want to use to reset your password for TikTok. So now here is my email. After you type in your email, all you have to do now, tap on this reset section. So as you can see now it will send me an verification code through my Gmail account. So now I'll just go back and open up my Gmail app. So as you can see now, after I open up my Gmail app, I'll now wait for the code. Here is the code now. The code has arrived. So now here is the code now. I'll just now copy the code and go back to my TikTok and paste in the code. So now I'll just type in the code. So now here is the code now. So now all you have to do now, go and type in your password that you want to use for your TikTok. So I'll just go and type in a new password. Just make sure your password must be 8 characters and must have like numbers and special characters, that's symbols. So as you can see now, so your password must be like this. As you can see now, I combine like capital letter, small letter, numbers and special character, that's symbols. So after you finish typing your password, just tap on this next button. That's it on how to reset your TikTok password. So now I reset my TikTok password. I'll just go back and just log in and show you how it works. So now I already reset my own. So I'll just type in my, as you can see, I'll just type in my Gmail in this section. So type in my password in this section. I'll just type in my password now. After you finish typing your password, just tap on this sign login button. So now it will take me to my TikTok account. So sometime it will give you this verification. All you have to do now, drag this arrow to make sure it just fit this option. So as you can see now it takes me now to my Gmail. As you can see now, here is my TikTok app. If I tap on this profile at the bottom right side, so as you can see now I have recovered my TikTok password. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.